I'm the proud mom of 5 amazing kids, and for 3 years, they haven't gone to the doctors. You want to know my secret? We love essential oils. Number 1, they're all natural, not synthetic. Number 2, they smell wonderful. Ooh la la. And number 3, they are effective. So we have a different oil for cough, for fever, for flu, for cuts. And while the kids help themselves to my stash, I was so happy to find out that doTERRA came up with a kids kit where there are 6 different oils coming in a carabiner and a rubber top, so the kids can actually bring it to school, and they love it so far. Let's hear what they have to say.
Finally, we don't have to share with our mother. I love it.
Every morning we use Bruises to perk us up. And when there's a lot of homework and I'm tired, I use Tinker to help me focus.
I never get sick with Stronger. I am the sporty one. I apply Rescue after my nipple for no aches.
Karma makes them all sleep better. Subscribe if you're a mom, you'll love my shares. Click on the link below to find out more about essential oils. Bye!